Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. So in case anybody doesn't know how to dye their hair at home, I'm just gonna do a little quick video. Maybe not so quick, but we're gonna do a little quick video on how to do that at home. So first I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be using. The dye that I use is the Revlon Colorsilk dye. That's it, number 60. And I also make sure that it's ammonia free, because ammonia is like really bad for your hair. So, and I buy 2 of these because my hair is like long, so I need 2. One for literally half my head and the other one for the other half. And this is what comes in the box. This is, you put this one in here and you mix it, and that's how you do that. I also am gonna use a little brush that you get from any beauty supply store to dye my hair, because I like grabbing the dye with this instead. And I'll just mix it all up in a container. I'll show you guys how to do that in a minute. You gotta use a comb. I usually use a comb to split my hair up, and a little teeth, little grabby thingy. I don't know what these are called, but you know what I mean. So, and I also, the box brings the gloves, these plastic gloves. I use these, but then I also put these on top because my nails will break the other ones and it'll go through. So first, what you do is you open up the little bottle thingy here, and then I'm gonna pour it inside here. All right, guys, so this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna pour it in here. I'm pouring it in here. And just cover it up. I just put it in here to mix it up. And you shake that, you shake that, you shake that. Push these stuff away. All right, so you shake it. So once it's all mixed, I'm gonna pour it in the little container here. Squeeze that out. Make sure you get it all out. You don't want to waste anything. So that's good. I'm going to use the brush to put it on my hair. So that's ready to go. Hey guys, I'm back. So as you can see, I split my hair up in 2 pieces. I tied this part up a little scrunchy, and this is the part that I'm going to start with. So as you can see, and you can tell all the grays and my roots. Horrible, but we're gonna fix that today. All right, so I'm gonna take the comb, and the first thing I do, I just grab a little piece. I'll start from the bottom, like from the, and then just brush your bangs back. You're gonna get to those later. Just fix my little angle there. Okay, perfect. All right, so I grabbed a little piece. The rest I'm just gonna tie up using the little teeth grabbing thingamajig. If anybody knows what that's called, please tell me, because I have no idea what that's called. The teeth grabbing hair thingy, that's what I call it. So I just pinch it. Pinch that part. And I just grab a little bit with the brush that I have. And make sure you have some old clothes on or like a towel or something, because you're going to get dye on you. Definitely, you're going to get dye. And then put some like paper towels or old newspapers on the floor. I have a garbage bag on the floor. I cut it and I put it on the floor. So in case dye drips on the floor, because this does stain. It does stain. So first, grab a little bit. And I'm just brushing it on my hair. Pretty simple. Nothing, not rocket science. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Let me just brush it on. Definitely make sure you get in the roots. Definitely. And then I just start putting it right here, so I can start coloring. And by the time I'm done with the rest, this will be already getting lighter. Okay. So I'm done with that little part. So I'm just gonna continue grabbing little pieces. Alright guys, so I finished half of my head, as you can see. So now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to open the other box, because like I said before, I need 2 boxes for my head. One for one side, one for the other. So I did this part, so I'm just going to do the same thing over on the other side. And then I'll wait like 25 to 30 minutes. I'll let it like, you know, really marinate in my scalp. And I'll wash my hair. And I'll see you back in a few. Hey guys, so I'm back. I finished washing my hair, and so now I'm gonna straighten it. So what I did was split my hair in 2 pieces. So I tied one up, and I'm gonna start with this side to straighten it out. As you can see, I already started with my bangs. So I'm just gonna continue so you guys see, and you'll see the final result. And by the way, I'm gonna be using the cheese straightener. So I'm going to begin. As you can see, I have everything pinched with the little teeth thingies. So I'm just going to take a little piece, and then the rest, I'm going to pinch it, grab it with one of those things on top. Okay, so you see that? Then you start straightening. Simple. Simple. I remember back in the days, I don't know who remembers this, but I used to straighten my hair with an iron. Literally an iron to iron those. My cousins used to iron my hair. So I remember when I was like, oh my god, they make straighteners now. I gotta use this. I gotta buy this. So it just brings back memories. I don't know who remembers that old school. And then I started to iron my hair by myself with an iron on an ironing board. Imagine that. But I had skills, so I knew how to do it. So I think this part is done. Then after a while, you just learn how to do it yourself. Look how pretty that came out. Look at that. Nice and straight. All right. Alright, so I'm just gonna continue. I like passing it a lot because I like it really, 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 really straight. Really straight. Straight. Alright, so that piece is done. So now all I do is I grab another piece and continue. I like using my nails. I get better instead of the comb. So I'm almost done. And I'm just getting ready. I'm just doing this last part here. So I'm pretty much done with this half. Alright, and look at the difference. Before and after. See the difference? Gorgeous, gorgeous. So what I'm going to do now, when I'm going to finish the other half, and when I come back, you'll see the final result. I'm back, guys. So this is the final look. See how gorgeous it looks now? Way better than before. So what I did now, I put the Chi Silk Infusion on my hair, which makes it like silky and shiny, and it helps with the heat. So I put that on. And all the products that I used today will be down below. I'll list them down below. I want to thank you guys for watching today, and remember to subscribe to my channel, which will be right here or right here, somewhere here. And also, if you guys want to see my previous videos, you can also click here or here or here or here. It all depends on where my husband puts it. Thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.